Hello and welcome to this tutorial on embedding a studio video in Canvas, an essential step for sharing video content directly within your course. Go to the page, announcement, discussion, or assignment where you'd like to embed your video. Click Edit to open the Rich Content Editor. In the Rich Content Editor toolbar, click the Studio icon. It might be hidden under 3 dots depending on your view. This will open a window with your studio video library. Browse or search for the video you want to embed. Once you've found it, click on the video. Under Embed options, you can toggle Display Media tabs on or off, which allows or restricts students from commenting or seeing video details, and Allow Media Download, that allows students to download the video and the video transcript. When you've finished editing the page, be sure to click Save to make it visible to students. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to embed a studio video in Canvas. We hope this helps you create a more engaging and interactive experience for your students. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the links below.